Hello, welcome to Finance 101. On today's episode on Road to 10K, I have added 3 new stocks to the portfolio. So let's go through it and see which stocks it was. So first of all, as you can see up here, Wealthsimple having a promotion where you can deposit $1,500 and have it instantly. Normally it's $250. So what I did was take the opportunity to deposit $1,500 into the account. So when I deposited $1,500 into the account, I bought 3 new stocks. And as we go down, you're going to see LSPD right here, the stock here. I bought 3 shares of them. And each share was, my average was $148.22. So I got 3 of them. And that came up to 400 and I think 40 or $445 because I'm up $5. What this company is the same as the Salesforce, but a Canadian company. A lot of people are comparing this company to Shopify. They're saying it can go up as much as that. So let's just hold on to it and see what happens in the future. We give an update on this one. So stock number 2 is Nvidia. Nvidia has been one of my stocks I want to buy for a while now. As you know, Nvidia was almost $1,000 stock, and they did a reverse spread where they divided into 4, and each stock came out to I think $200. It was it was $96. That's why I wanted to buy it, and it went up to $200, and I said, well, maybe it ran up too much. Then I wait a little bit more, it ended up going up to $220. At this point, I say, you know what? I throw in the towel. Might as well buy it. If you're gonna buy it, it might keep going, especially when it was almost $1,000 stock. They spread it just like Apple. I think it's gonna go back to at least $500 or something. So I bought 3 of those too, and my average price was $224 for each. And if you don't know what Nvidia does all the chip inside the cars, computers, anything you can think of. They make a chip for cell phones. They make chips for Apple. All the car companies now. That's why if you know about how Ford is having problems producing cars because they are not getting any chip right now to put in any car. So even if you know anything about the car industry right now, if you want to buy a brand new car, it's a good chance you wait for at least a year and a half, 2 years before you receive your brand new car. So if you want a 2021 car now, you're probably going to get it 2022 or 2023. So you're going to get a brand new car by at least 2 years old. So that's why I got this one. If you can afford Nvidia, another one you can buy is AMD. AMD does the same thing, but Nvidia price is way higher, and I always say a stock is where they are for a reason. So if the price is really high, it means it's a really good company. That's why it's priced that high. The last one here is UEC. So UEC, I got 52 shares of the UEC. UEC is a uranium company, and what is going on now is uranium has been going up lately. The spot price is over $100 right now, and they're saying that the utilities hasn't even started buying yet because what they did before was about I think 5-10 years ago. They already hedged their price and they were overpaying, and some companies took chemical to court saying that they're overpaying, but they already said the deal and they bought it. But I think all the contracts have run out now, so sooner or later they're gonna have to sit down and try to hedge their price again, because if you don't get it at this price and you go higher, you're gonna have to pay for that. So if you know anything about gas and uranium, what companies do is they sit down and they say, okay, fine, 10 years from now we're gonna keep buying at this price. So if it's say $100, they might pay $100 for the next 10 years to sign the contract, just in case it goes up, they don't overpay, and if it goes under, it's your loss. That's why I bought the uranium. But if you're gonna buy this company here, it could be risky. So do your due diligence before you buy it. And I'm just taking a little risk and buying it, but I think it's gonna go up though, because all the uranium companies have been going up. And its own chemical when it was $9.50, and a couple of days ago I checked on it, it's up to $19. So I missed out on that when I sold it. So let's see how this one goes. So that's how the portfolio looks for today. And as you can see, our total right now is $4,199.71. And as you can see, for the past month here, I'm up $43.30. That's 1.04% for the month. So the portfolio is doing really good. As always, don't forget to share the video, subscribe if you haven't done so, and see you on the next one. Peace.